The OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be a high-end flagship that leans hard into performance, battery life, and camera innovation. It's expected to be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1/4.0 storage, delivering strong multitasking and gaming capabilities. Leaked spec sheets suggest a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED display with a variable refresh rate up to 165 Hz, up to 1,800 nits of peak brightness, and Dolby Vision support. In terms of endurance, the phone is rumored to house an unusually large 7,000 to 7,300 mAh battery, supporting 120W wired and 50W wireless fast charging. On the imaging front, OnePlus has reportedly ended its long-standing collaboration with Hasselblad and is adopting its own Detail Max imaging engine, while maintaining a triple 50MP camera setup including a main, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto lens. Design tweaks include a shift from circular to square camera modules, a new sandstorm color with microarc oxidation treatment for durability, and possibly removing the iconic alert slider in favor of a multifunction button. The OnePlus 15 has already appeared in global certification listings, confirming 5G, NFC, Wi-Fi, and dual speaker support, and it is expected to ship with the upcoming OxygenOS 16, based on Android 16, as its software layer.